Hi guys, my name is Joe and here's the programmers underscore JFJ YouTube channel. Today I will be focusing on Python operators. Let's start and let me give you a clear explanation of what Python operators are. Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that operator operates on is called the operand. For example, we can say 20, let's say 30 plus 20. Say a is equals to a. Let's see, print a. No, the caps with the small letter a. Let's run the program and see what it outputs. It outputs 50, as we know that here the addition sign the 30 plus the 20, it gives out 50. We are done as for the introduction to Python operators, and we should carry on arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and etc. Let's say it's x plus y. It means the addition sign adds two operands or unary plus. If it subtracts, it's x minus y. Subtract the right hand operator from the left hand or urinary minus. Or if it's multiply, it multiply two operators, x multiplied by y. Let me write, let's say x is equals to 20, b is equals to 20. Let's print a x multiplied by b and see what it will output. It outputs 400 just because 20 multiplied by 20, it's 400. That's why I was telling you about arithmetic operations, which are mathematical functions, and we'll focus on float division that results into whole number. And modules, it's a remainder or of the division of the left operator by the right. Let's try making things clear. Let me remove this. Let me remove the upcode. Let's say a x. Let me do this y. X and y, yes, much simpler. X plus y is equal to x plus y. I forgot something here. Print. Let's copy and paste to make our work more easier. Copy, paste. Here let's include a minus, a divide, multiplication sign, and the floor sign. And the module sign. Let's run our program and see what it will output, just because we have included different types of arithmetic operations which are mathematical functions. Let's run our program and see what it will output. Now it shows an error. It means I forgot something. Let me use a comma instead of a plus. Yes, let's run it and see. It shows everything clearly. It means 20 plus 20 is 40. 20 plus 20 is 0, it's obvious. And the x divided by the y, it gives us 1. And the 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. And it's a floor sign, it gives us 1 again. And it's a modular sign, it gives us 0. Then we are done with the arithmetic operations. Then we'll be focusing on comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values. It returns It either returns true or false according to the conditions. Let's say if it's a greater than sign, greater than, true if the left operator is greater than the right. X is greater than y, which here it's false just because they are all equal. But if we make the x 50, it actually means it's true the x is greater than y, and yeah, the x is greater than y. And let us use the less than value. Less than true if the left operator is greater than the right operator. And let's use the equals to sign. The equals to sign if both operators are equal. If the x and the y are 20, it means all the variables are equal. Let's say it's greater than or equal to, x is greater than or equal to true if the left operator is greater than or equal to the right operator. Less than or equal to, the true if the left operator is less than or equal to the left operator. Okay, let me try making things clear. Let's say let me remove this. Print x is greater than y. Let me change the values. Let's do 60, and let's add to this 30. And it's greater than. Print x is less than y. Let's comment it out. Less than. Print x is equals to y. Equal to. Print x it's not equal to y. And here let's write a comment out. It's not equal then let me copy this. Greater or equals to. Greater or equal to. Let me copy. Let's say less than, greater. Greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Let's run our program and see what it outputs. Let's try checking. Is x greater than y? It's false. 30 is not greater than 60. That's what you know. X is less than y, which is true. Y is less than x. X is equal to y, which is false. These are different values. It's not possible that 30 is equals to 60. X is not equal to y, which is true. X is greater or equal to y, which is false. X is less than or equal to y, which is true. We are done for today. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel so we can release more videos based on Python. Here's the programmers_JFJ YouTube channel. Please like and thank you for watching this video.